Then just to point out the anatomy of the instrument, the back of it is flat.
Right.
That allows the dissection to be right on top of the periosteum.
Right.
And there's a distinct ridge that runs down the middle of the instrument in a plane that goes this direction for that cutting edge and that direction for this cutting edge. The instrument is sharp from here to about here. Okay, so from here to the shank it's dull.
Right.
So we're only sharpening this cutting edge here and here. So all we're doing is paralleling that plane with the sharpening stone for this side and that plane with the sharpening stone for that side.
I see.
So we want to use a fine stone. And so you can see that if your instrument is on that ridge, it's all the cutting edges are lifted off of the stone, right?
Yes, okay.
So if you're parallel with the instrument with that plane,
Right.
you move one direction into the cutting edge. So you're moving the instrument into the cutting edge. You don't want to go like this. You want to go into the edge.
Right.
Very smooth transition. If you're too angled, you can see that you're dulling the edge. But if you're parallel with the plane, it should be a smooth transition.
Right. Beautiful.
So, just for your information, I'm steady here. I'm holding the stone steady with this hand, and the instrument is moving.
Yes.
But for this side, for me, it's easiest to hold it like this and have this steady, and to move the stone so you can, and I'm typically above it so I can look down and see that I'm parallel. It's a little harder to show you that side.
Right. I hear you. I got it.
So every once in a while you'll create a burr on an edge on the back, and that's when you'll very, very gently, it doesn't take much pressure at all, but you'll remove those little burrs that you'll sometimes create.
I see.
But that's really the only time you should sharpen the back, because eventually if you routinely sharpen it, you'll create a bevel, and that will be, it'll hold the edge, the cutting edge away from the bone if there's a bevel. So.
Beautiful.
What do you think?
Thank you so much.